Good morning, YouTube. Captain Paul here, no regrets, Captain. And today is day 15. I'm at Aqua Marina, and I'm going to the parts store to see if I can find us a couple new impellers for our generator. Like I said in a couple earlier videos, I think I got it figured out. I think we had a little grass in the sea strainer, so hopefully that fixes it just enough to overheat those impellers and crack them and break them. And we could have had bad impellers. I've had it happen before. So anyway, I'm gonna see if I can grab a couple of impellers while we're here. And then we got 3 locks, and to Midway Marina is about 50 miles. So it's not a big mileage day, but lots of locks. All right, guys, so I was able to buy 2 impellers and the 50 amp breaker I need. So I'll probably send Mike and Pam to the store, and I'll get these parts changed out, and that should fix our electrical problem, and it should fix the generator, the main generator. So anyway, we should be back up and operational here in a couple of hours. Got my new impeller. I'm excited to put it in. This trip here with Pam and Mike has been, I've loved it. And I've got to drive the boat a lot more. Usually when I get on with the owners, not doing a delivery and I'm with the owners, they usually drive the boat more. But this time I've been getting to do lots of docking with this 4788 Bayliner, and I actually love it. I think it's one of the easiest boats in the world to maneuver. Mike's catching on, and he is doing good when he does it. But I think he just needs that personal time and just one-on-one, and we'll get it to the slip, and we'll do some training there where he can learn how to pull it in and out of the dock. And he does do it, but not as much as normal. It's normally done when I'm on these boats. So I got my new impeller in, and now I just got to put the cover on there and then turn on the water valve, and we'll start it up and try it, make sure everything works. Breaker switched out here, which was this breaker underneath here, and we've got the new breaker in right now, and it looks good. Everything looks good. Love that whole maneuver. Starboard engine reverse, port forward, a little bit of thruster, and it walks you right off the dock. Mike's gonna straighten out our lines, pull in our buoys, and we are heading to our first lock. We've got 3 locks to do today. This is a good stop. They had a lot of stuff here. They got a grocery store. We did everything fairly quickly too. What time is the restaurant close? Really pretty. They store a lot of the
got a burgie on the front of it.
Which one?
Over here on the right, on the shore, dragged up on shore.
Oh yeah, that guy is kayaking America's Great Loop. Sure is. A lot of guys do it on there. Back downriver, I switched the little guy over. We go up the Tennessee. There's not much current on it because you go in between the logs, but none of this is current compared to the Mississippi or the Ohio. The Ohio, there's some current on it.
Is Mississippi the toughest in the United States?
I think so, yes.
You know, for big boats. I know you can get
Yeah.
whitewater or whatever.
Right now we're on the Tennessee Tom Bixby. We're in a little canal, and we're gonna head through 3 locks today. We're gonna get to Midway Marina, and then hopefully the next day we're in Denopolis. And then from Denopolis we can make it all the way to, it's a long day, but we'll have to make up a determination whether we anchor or not. But just running the canal today, having a nice day. Very nice and cool out. We're running off the little Honda generator. We do have both generators up and running. He's got our looper board up. He just put the looper board up. I got to get the grease pen and mark where we've been. And then we were just talking about how nice and cool it is today. We got this little bit of overcast and just nice and cool going through this canal here. Super cool.
You're going to try to get reason to put down here next service date. I'll let you fill that out. Now, what do you put down on the filter?
Just the water's really clear. It's warm. Anyway, we anchored in that cove. Beautiful.
It's pretty,
Yeah, really pretty.
I can't see that many places.
Mike's getting the buoy set up right now. As soon as they've got a lock coming up, and then they'll get us in the lock, and we'll go down. The board here, me and Mike, you saw all the way up and around, all the way over and down, and that's about where we're at right now. It's so cool. Is where we've been so far, and so when we get done, we'll be all the way down to Mobile Bay. You'll have completed a little over 2/3 of the loop. Or 1/3, sorry. Yeah, not 2/3. I forgot to turn the camera on. Who knew?
See? Like the steady one. The best of it. There's 400. 300's coming up.
No, we got to get inside the lock.
Oh, okay. I thought it was kind of quick. Lola, come, get it. Check it. Come on.
Uh-oh, Lola, you're going to get in trouble. You're going to have to go on your kennel.
Come on.
I don't think that's by choice. We're talking about who would jump in the water for Lola. I would jump in for her, but we don't want to.
Oh, be careful.
That's our pin right there.
Yeah. I bet you're going to tell me you want me to move it back one clear. Is that right?
Yeah, back one cleat.
All right, got it.
You got us nice and tight, Mike?
Not yet. I'm pulling back.
Women lock, PC tied off.
Roger, roger.
You got to stay in Mama's arms. Yes. Until we get big boy lock here. How many feet is this damn thing? One of these is like 80, 90 feet. I know that. This could be the one.
A drop.
Yeah, the drop.
Fire hose or something.
Yeah, it did. I'm gonna start the main.
Ropes are all. Ball's still on the lock. Now you're clear.
Now usually it's about there, you have to keep it.
So Whitman, James lock. Now we got another lock about 5 miles down here, boss. Got a lot of workers. That's a big push right there. That's a big toe. That's not the biggest one though.
No.
We saw much bigger than that.
One of the bigger ones in a while.
That's one of the companies she worked for.
That's one of them.
Makes sense. I don't know if that's the one she got right now. Check it right. Get up here. Get up here. Now.
Roger that. We'll probably try and stand in the low lock somewhere. So we got the green light for the sunny lock.
This is unbelievable.
Mike's going out. Yeah.
Right in.
Hey, don't worry. We got one more lock.
No.
So don't get
Take me get
Nah,
sassy now.
don't get sassy yet. Let's wait till we get to the. But what I'll do is call this lockmaster, let them know we're gonna do one more lock today, and see what they say. They usually talk to each other, especially when they're this close. The next one's just. It's about 7 miles. We have door openage. Say anything really.
It's raining.
Is it raining right now? I don't see any rain on the windshield.
My bald head's telling me it's spring.
Fine, girl.
I don't see anything. There we go. Sunny lock, sunny lock. This is Amazed. We've cleared your gates. Thank you very much. We'll see you guys next time through. We appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Roger, roger. We appreciate y'all. Y'all have a safe trip on down. We'll see you on return.
Roger that. Have a great day.
It's 1-year-old Johnny. But
Rankin, this is a southbound PC. You copy?
Go ahead, Kev.
Yes, sir. When we get down, we'd appreciate it. We have your lock in sight.
Roger that. Sitting ready for you. Get here, come on in. Don't wait speed. Or towel off either side. All my beautiful working. Make sure your line handle's got a life vest on. Get tied off. Let me know and I'll get you down. I'll be here on 14.
Roger. Roger that. We'll let you know when we're tied off, and thank you, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
How long is the boat then?
Total 53.
54.
Oh, no.
This is Big Shot.
Yes.
Candy tells everybody she has a 55-foot yacht.
Did I say that?
What a beautiful, man, I can't keep saying it, but it's just overcast. It's not hot. It's just been a nice day. Mike, we'll take the same can we always take.
Pretty good.
There's the name of the lock right there. John Rankin Lock.
Nice smoky.
John Rankin Lock. John Rankin Lock. This is southbound, and we are secured.
14, Captain, 14.
John Rankin Lock. We're secured.
Roger, Captain. Happening midway. Copy, Captain.
Sorry, yeah, we're gonna go. We're gonna stop at Midway today.
Roger.
Appreciate you guys. Guys, this will be our last lock for today. Franklin Lock. Gates are opening. I'm gonna fire off the mains. There's the marina. Yeah, look at all that grass. Look at all that grass, baby. No, we use your little pump we bought, Mike. Captain Paul, end of day 15 here. And we made it to Midway Marina. This is Midway from Green Turtle Bay to where we're going. So anyway, make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos with Pam, Mike, and Amazed. Love this Bayliner. I think these are great boats. I think they're great single hand boats. And the boat's done amazing so far. Anyway, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, share it with your friends. And remember, live life with no regret. I do. And thank you so much for watching.